Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn all about circles. We're going to learn what makes a circle different from other shapes so you know how to identify them. We're going to watch this quick video. Here we go. What shape is traced here? A circle is traced. What does a circle look like? So thinking right now, what does a circle look like? How many sides does it have? Are the lines straight or curved? Does it have any sides? A circle is round. It does not have straight sides or corners. Look at this picture. What is the arrow pointing to? The arrow is pointing to a flying disc. What shape is the flying disc? So let's look at it. What shape is this? How do you know? I hope you said a circle. And we know it's a circle because it is round and does not have straight sides or corners. So, I hope you know that a circle will always be round. It will never have any sides or straight lines. Great job today!